There are two main methods to watch Prime Video on a computer, through a web browser or via the dedicated Windows app. This tutorial outlines both options. What the process does, Prime Video allows subscribers to stream movies and TV shows on any compatible device. The web browser method works on any operating system, while the Windows app provides a native experience with potentially smoother performance and offline download capabilities on Windows devices. Method 1. Watch Prime Video in a web browser. Start by opening any web browser on your computer. Go to the official Amazon Prime Video website. When the website loads, look for the Sign In button. Click on it and enter the email address and password associated with your Prime Video or Amazon account. After signing in successfully, you will be taken to the Prime Video homepage. From here, you can browse through different categories, search for specific movies or TV shows, and start streaming content immediately. Method 2. Install the Prime Video app on Windows. If you are using a Windows computer, you can install the dedicated Prime Video app from the Microsoft Store. Click the Start button on your Windows taskbar, type Microsoft Store into the search bar, and press Enter to open it. Once the Microsoft Store opens, click on the search bar and type Prime Video. Find Prime Video for Windows in the search results and select it. Click the Get or Install button to begin downloading the application. After the installation is complete, launch the Prime Video app from your Start menu. The app may ask you to choose your country before continuing. After that, sign in using your Amazon account credentials. Once signed in, you can browse and stream content directly through the app. Limitation. The web browser method works on any operating system and requires no installation. The Windows app may offer a slightly optimized interface and offline download capabilities for some content, but features may vary by region. Both methods require an active Amazon Prime or Prime Video subscription. This tutorial is best suited for users who want to watch Prime Video on a computer without a smart TV or mobile device. Conclusion. Watching Prime Video on a PC or laptop can be done either through a web browser by signing in to the Prime Video website, or through the dedicated Windows app available from the Microsoft Store. Both methods require an active subscription and an internet connection. Once signed in, streaming content is available immediately.